Hello and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As you know, we are working on the types of data and we have already covered structured and unstructured data. In this session, we will understand a few things about semi-structured data. Semi-structured data refers to the data which does not conform strictly to a formal structure. For example, tables. There will not be any formal structure like tables, but still it will contain either tags or markers, etc., to separate the elements. As you can see here in the image, this is a sample JSON, which is one example of semi-structured data. Here we have three elements. First one is name, second one is email, third one is preferences. They are all key value pairs, but the value need not to be a string. It could be again a array or any other object. As you can see in the preferences, the key is preferences. The value is not just a string like name or email. It's again an object which has again some nested properties such as newsletters and SMS notifications, etc. So it has some organizational properties, making it easier to analyze than the unstructured data. So the common formats include the JSON, which we just saw in the image, also XML, also AML, etc. So these are a few examples of semi-structured data: JSON, XML, HTML, and NoSQL database records such as MongoDB records, etc. All these types of semi-structured data are used in either web APIs or data exchange or creating the HTML files and many more things. If you want to understand how can we integrate, how can we use the JSON in the web APIs, you can refer to our Spring Boot series. Here in our channel, we have created a separate series for Spring Boot where you can find the ways and you can learn how to create the APIs, how to run them, how to handle them, how to test them, and what are the layers and how to use them, many more things in our Spring Boot series. We will provide the link of the Spring Boot series in the description as well as you will find it at the end of this video. Also, if you want to work on XML and if you want to know how to use XML with Java applications, we have created another series called Java XML series where you can learn a few basics about XML and how to use them, how to integrate them in Java, etc. We will provide the link for that series as well in the description as well as at the end of the video. Now coming back to the characteristics of semi-structured data, they are either schema-less or flexible schema. We will discuss about schema in the upcoming sessions. For now, you can consider schema as a database or as a collection of tables or a collection of objects. Then the second characteristic is it is tag based. As you can see here in the sample JSON, these are called tags. The parent tag is node tag here, and the children tag are to and from and heading and body. This is a sample XML for a email object. Then the third characteristic is hierarchical structure. The hierarchy flows from parent to the children. We can have nested children of the children tag as well. There will be no limit for the nesting. And finally, it is easier to scale compared to relational databases. And lastly, the advantages of semi-structured data, the flexibility in data modeling, easy integration with web services, and it is better suited for NoSQL databases, and it is more adaptable to change, and the efficient storage for certain types of data. These are a few advantages that we can achieve using semi-structured data. As you can see here in the image, this is a screenshot of a Postman application where we are just calling a API, and as you can see here, the body is with the JSON data. So we are trying to ask some information with the help of API, and we are getting the response in the form of JSON. So these are a few things about semi-structured data. We will learn more about data and its different usages and applications and integrations and its analysis and its use in AI and everything in the upcoming sessions. Please stay tuned for the upcoming sessions. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.